In this question, you have to identify the step in tricarboxylic acid cycle, that is the TCA cycle, which does not involve oxidation of substrate. Option A, succinyl-CoA to succinic acid. Now, the conversion of succinyl-CoA to succinic acid does not involve oxidation of substrate because it is a substrate level phosphorylation where GTP or ATP is produced by transferring a phosphate group from the succinyl-CoA to GDP or ADP to form the succinate. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, isocitrate to alpha-ketogluteric acid. Now, this is incorrect because this is an oxidative decarboxylation step where isocitrate is oxidized to alpha-ketoglutarate and NAD plus is reduced to NADH. Option C, malic acid to oxaloacetic acid. This is also incorrect because here malate is oxidized to oxaloacetate and NAD plus is reduced to NADH. Option D, succinic acid to malic acid. Now this is also incorrect because this step is a part of the oxidative conversion of the succinate to fumarate, which is followed by hydration to malate, which does not involve oxidation in earlier steps, even though the transition between succinate to fumarate and fumarate to malate is the part of the overall cycle of oxidation.